Hello everyone,
You are?
I'm Juan,
I'm Corey, and we are the
the
Nature
Nature
Brothers.
Brothers, and this is going to be our first video starting in Hollywood Studios in Orlando.
We are now currently waiting for the spectacular
Yeah.
Indiana Jones
Yeah, it's gonna be
stunts
awesome.
spectacular. It's actually what it's called.
Yeah,
So this is going to be fun. And this channel, we're really just going to be talking about whatever. And it's going to be our adventures together and separate because honestly, here's the thing. Juan lives here in the Orlando area.
yes.
I live in St. Louis. We met in St. Louis, Missouri, and so you can tell I'm in St. Louis.
14 years ago.
Yes, 14 years ago. Hey, they're starting, so we'll talk to you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Need a man. What? All right, let's say give him the time. You've got a red shirt. Yeah, he's like, I'll still do it, Mindy. I'm coming down there. All right, so you guys are going to be demonstrating patience. Oftentimes on a film set, you're standing around, you're waiting for something to happen. I'm going to give each of you a pose, and you're just going to stay in your pose until I say otherwise because you have to have a lot of patience on a film shoot. So you're going to go right in the center here, Mr. Red Shirt. Once you come on down, we're going to have you stand right here. Here he comes. Look at him go. Yes, get it. All right, you're going to be here, and I'm going to start with this guy. Tell everyone your name and where you're from.
Brett from San Diego.
Nice. All right, Brett. So you're up first. I need you to look like you're falling off a cliff. So sort of lean out. Give me this. That's so good. But stay in your pose because this is patience and posing group. There you go. All right. What's your name? Where are you from?
Alexa from Rhode Island.
Nope. No one cares, Alexa. Not a soul cares. All right. And you are?
Eric from Fort Lauderdale.
Perfect. Okay, so the two of you, you just noticed someone falling off a cliff, so you need to look terrified. Action! Yes, don't move. These are your poses. All right, and now to you, your name and where you're from?
My name is Corey. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri.
Corey, don't worry. Once you do your pose, the whole crowd's going to go crazy. You ready? All right, so don't do it yet. Just watch. Bow, chicka, bow, 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 bow. They're ready. Yeah, I'll do the noise. You just bring the movement. Here we go. And bow, chicka, bow, 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 bow. Be sassy. Yeah. All right, you can all stop posing. Head up to wardrobe. You can stop posing. Let's have another round of applause for these guys. Are you going that way? Yeah, there you go. Up and over. And you are amazing, and I love all that energy, and we're going to need that on our live film shoot. I'm going to give you a line. I'll divide you down
The
the...
detailed preparation that goes into making them happen.
Hey, Brian.
Hi, Mindy.
Are you ready for these extras?
You know I am. Welcome back to the set. You guys remember Mindy and all of our extras? Let's hear it. You guys are great. You got your robes on. You got your turbans on. You got your genuine 1930s Egyptian running shoes on. All right. Well, thank you so much for helping us out today. You have been hand-selected to help us bring our next scene to life. You will be the crowd in our Cairo Marketplace scene. So, to get you in character, when I say action, I just want you to be a crowd. Okay? Be a crowd. Action! Be a crowd. Can you be a better crowd? Ay, ay, ay. Worst toga, Indian Marion will enter the scene. Little do they know that evil bad guys are lurking in the shadows, ready to strike. Can I get an ooh? All right, yeah, let's help them out. Your line. Okay, not bad. Once again here. Okay, again, you guys. That was fantastic. Now it's your turn. That was weird. Mindy. All right, thumbs up means we're ready. 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 Guy checking out a girl way out of his league. Well, it is Disney. Dreams can come true. All right. Follow Mindy across the mat back into places. Hey, boss!
Yeah.
Extras are ready.
All right, be right there. Guys, let's do this in one.
Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the stunt coordinator and the director of the second unit, Mr. Tom Hilden.
Hey, everybody! Wow. Great to have you guys on set with us today. It's going to be a totally emotional...